नमस्कार मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों आप सभी जानते हो कि अहमदाबाद में चौथे टेस्ट में भारत ने इंग्लैंड को 1 इनिंग और 25 रनों से हराया है और इस शानदार जीत में सबसे बड़ा योगदान रहा है तो वह है ऋषभ पंत ने 118 गेंदों में 101 रन लगाए थे, जिसकी वजह से उसे इस मैच में मैन ऑफ द मैच घोषित किया गया। वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने भी 96 रन लगाए थे और साथ साथ में मैन ऑफ द सीरीज़ का खिताब जो है वो आर अश्विन को मिला, जिन्होंने पूरी सीरीज़ 4 टेस्ट के सीरीज़ में 32 विकेट और 1 सेंचुरी भी लगाई है। दोस्तों आइए इस वीडियो में देखते हैं कि वॉशिंगटन सुंदर, ऋषभ पंत और आर अश्विन ने मैन ऑफ द मैच और मैन ऑफ द सीरीज़ के दरमियान क्या अपने विचार व्यक्त किए। आइए देखते हैं।
The award goes to the very impressive Washington Sundar. We saw in Australia that he could play. We saw earlier in the series that he could play. But this innings of 96 not out, you just wondered what he was doing down at number 8 because he looked like he can bat anywhere in the order. It's mighty impressive and we'll see a lot of this young man in the future. Well played, Washington Sundar, 96 not out. Now it's time for the Paytm Man of the Match. The winner gets a trophy, a check of 1 lakh. After that innings that he played, could only have been Rishabh Pant. 101, just 118 balls, 2 catches, 2 stumpings. ऋषभ वो जरा नीचे रखे क्योंकि आपका माइक आपकी जेब में है। आपकी बैटिंग के बारे में तो चर्चा होगी, लेकिन आपकी कीपिंग में जो इतना जबरदस्त बदलाव आया उसके पीछे बताइए।
मेरे को लगता है सर कि ड्रिल्स काफ़ी करी और जो मेन थिंग है वो कॉन्फिडेंस है कि ऐसे प्रैक्टिस कर करके इतना कॉन्फिडेंस गेन करा। बैटिंग से जो कॉन्फिडेंस मिला उसको कीपिंग पे ट्रांसफर करके काफ़ी हेल्प मिला।
आपकी थोड़ी बैटिंग दिखाना चाहूंगा, आप देखिए, क्योंकि इसमें ऐसे अद्भुत शॉट्स थे, बड़े कॉन्फिडेंट शॉट्स भी थे और कुछ ऐसे थे जब लगा सब कुछ देखा ऋषभ पंत का, कुछ और नया शॉट दिखाया आपने। इस इनिंग्स आपने इतनी बड़ी इनिंग्स खेली है अपने छोटे से करियर में, ये कितने मायने रखती है आपको?
काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, स्पेशली अगर सिचुएशन ऐसी हो जैसे टीम अंडर प्रेशर होती है। फाइनल था, अगर मैच ड्रॉ होता तो भी फाइनल था, बट टफ सिचुएशन में फंसे हुए थे, 5-6 विकेट डाउन थे। उस सिचुएशन में अगर आप टीम के लिए कुछ ऐसा कर सको जिससे मैच अपनी तरफ आ सके तो उससे बड़ी कोई बात नहीं है।
रिवर्स स्विंग दोबारा करेंगे आप 89?
अगर मौका मिलेगा तो जरूर करूंगा सर।
आप जब हम देखते हैं आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा कोई लड़का है जो बहुत एंजॉय कर रहा है अपनी क्रिकेट, मुस्कुराते हुए खेल रहा है, एंजॉय कर रहा है, उसका राज बताएं आप।
सर बचपन से यही सोचा था कि जो भी क्रिकेट खेलनी एंजॉय करके खेलनी है और हंस के खेलनी है, आसपास लोग हंसते रहे, बस यही काम है, खुद हंस के टीम जीतते रहे, यही सोचते रहते हैं।
आपकी वजह से हमको एक क्रिटिसिज्म मिल रहा है बहुत कि जब आप स्टंप्स के पीछे हो कहते हैं कमेंट्री बंद करना, ऋषभ की बात सुनो।
अब सर अब ये मेरा कॉम्प्लीमेंट है या आपको थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है तो आप
प्रूव करो। कॉम्प्लीमेंट है, कोई बात नहीं। वेल प्लेड ऋषभ पंत, फैंटास्टिक परफॉर्मेंस। मैन ऑफ द मैच टुडे वाज ऋषभ पंत, कांग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू सर।
Now it's time for the Paytm Man of the Series, someone who's making it a habit of doing that. A trophy, a check of 2.5 lakhs, 32 wickets, a century, 189 runs. Ladies and gentlemen, Ravichandran Ashwin. He'll come eventually. He's got so many things to pick up. It was so much fun watching Ravichandran Ashwin ride through. You never knew what he was coming up with next. There's a trophy, there's the check, but also, you can come a little closer, we'll keep enough distance, and also a microphone that he's been using very well these days. Of all the things you did in the series, what gave you most satisfaction?
The fact that we qualified for the World Test Championship final, because at the start of the series we came from a real high in Australia, and then we lost that first test in Chennai. The intensity was sort of very low, and we would say that the penny hadn't dropped, and after that we had to pick ourselves up and win 3 on the bounce. And these were challenging passages of play in the series, and I thought every time there was a challenging passage of play, someone stood up and put their hand up and delivered for us. So it's one of the good series wins that we've had in the last few years.
It's going to be very enjoyable watching this little sequence we've put together. 32 wickets and 189 runs. It's a series to remember, isn't it, for you?
It is like, I mean, I've been saying this. I actually can't really put thought into it and say how well the last 4 months have been, because for me the last 4 months have been quite a ride. Like I said, I haven't been in the best of form with the bat, and when the time came in Chennai, I didn't really think I was going to make 100. I just went with the flow, stayed in the moment, and things just happened. It's not just this, but even the series in Australia. It's been quite a ride. Now I'm going to sit back and sort of think about what's happened.
With every series, you plan differently. You prepare a certain way, you prepare for certain outcomes. What had you prepared for before this series? Now that it's over, you can share it with us.
No, honestly, I think what's really made the difference is the kind of confidence that the team management has put in me over the last 4-5 months. Because when I reached Australia, I didn't look like a starter. I was not going to start in the 11, and I just went there trying to put my best foot forward. I was training for the best possibilities and best opportunities that I might receive through the season. But Jadeja's injury, I mean, it is not the greatest of things, but both Ravi Bhai and Virat did say that the bowling was coming out really nicely, and they wanted me to go out there, enjoy my batting, just put bat on ball and just go about things. And I feel totally blessed and humbled, because after the COVID situation, I never thought I would play cricket again for some time, and here I am, having had one of the best months that I've had in my career.
You've talked often about being happy these last 4 months. How does that translate into performance? Happy versus, I mean, you've had great performances before as well.
Look, sometimes I think the line needs to be drawn between being happy, content, and also being a little desperate. These are very, very, very fine lines, and it can be separated with a lot of thought process. Being desperate is one of the worst situations that you want to be as a cricketer. Being content is also not the greatest, but being happy is very, very important for me. Being happy keeps me in the moment, keeps me in the process, and keeps me with the planning. I go back every single day. Even yesterday, I was watching footages of how I can overcome how the batsman batted in the first innings, because every pitch is different. Every situation is different. Need to plan accordingly and deliver accordingly. So, for me, this is where I find myself in. I would just love to live through this.
I want to ask you specifically before you go away about two partners of yours. One at the other end, Akshar Patel in his first series, 27 is a lot of wickets in your first series, and the person behind the stumps whose performance has been fantastic.
If you put a board about what Rishabh has gone through in his career over the last year or so, it's been amazing, and I can't be any more happier for someone. He's been under a lot of pressure, being compared to some of the legends of the game, and sometimes it's quite unfair on a youngster. You know, sometimes he's come out and told me, as by year, I take these catches and take these stumpings so often in my club cricket or so often in the IPL. And it's just that he's got the right passage of play, right momentum, right amount of confidence, and the way he's kept in the series is beyond excellence. And I'm so pleased for him, so happy for him, and I hope he can continue delivering the kind of performances he did for us this game.
He's a rock star. What about Akshar?
Look, I think Akshar is someone.
Okay, we'll keep it short. Tell me 2 lines about Akshar Patel. We'll get Virat. It's hot out here.
So Akshar basically is someone who came in to replace Jadu's positioning, and I thought he delivered really well for us. Deserved every bit of praise that he got through the series, and I thought his bowling was also excellent, very, very accurate for a first series.
Well done, Ravichandran Ashwin. 8th time man of the series. Well played. Now it's time to invite the winning captain, and what a moment it is for Virat Kohli. He'll collect the Paytm India versus England Test Series trophy. Virat, you want to collect the trophy? We'll do that after the interview. Come along. I know it's hot. You've got a cap. I don't. I've got a blazer as well. But tell us, Virat, about all the things that happened in this series. What pleased you most post the comeback in Chennai?
I think the comeback pleased me the most. I think the first game was a bit of an aberration in the way that we play as a team, and that was just a hiccup, and I think England outplayed us. The toss became very crucial because of the way the pitch played in the first 2 days. I don't think the bowlers were in the contest at all. So from the next game onwards, it was more exciting cricket, and we got into the game early. Even in the second innings in Chennai, I think we bowled and fielded with a lot more intensity. So for me, the comeback was way more pleasing, and the way we batted in that second Test match in Chennai.
It's incredible how the youngsters coming into the team are performing straight away. I mean, Rishabh has been around for a while, but in this series, he was just sensational. There's Washington, there's Akshar. They just come in and look like they're ready.
Yes, they are. Our bench strength is as strong as it's ever been, and that's a great sign for Indian cricket. The idea was exactly this: to have youngsters who come in and perform with fearlessness, take the situations on, so that when the transition happens, eventually it's not difficult for Indian cricket, and the standard doesn't fall below what we have set in the last few years. So I think it's up to the individuals as well, taking the situation on like Rishabh and Washi did with that game-changing partnership, and then with Akshar as well, a 100-run partnership. These are the kind of situations where individuals stand up and say, okay, I'm going to make a mark and make a name for myself, and be that player who